Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to create pop-up in WordPress. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. Already I have published lots of tutorials on WordPress like classified listing and WooCommerce, Elementor and basic WordPress as well. And if you want to make a pop-up with Elementor, then you can check my YouTube channel. And I have given the video in this video description. You can check it from here or just check my YouTube channel. Go to the WP handy, just scroll down, then you will get this create a pop-up in WordPress with Elementor. So if you want to make a pop-up with Elementor, then you can check this video as well. Okay, so very first let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. You can see this is my website where I have added a pop-up. Okay, let's check how does it look. So we can open it with another browser like incognito mode. So go to the incognito mode and paste it and check it. Okay, you can see this is a pop-up. So you can add anything here. I have added this contact form and text, then the content. So if you want, then you can add more text or image, video here. Okay, so another way, I have added another pop-up. Like if I navigate to the blog page, click just here, then you can see this is the subscription form. So if you want, then you can add this type of pop-up and you can show it for a specific page or all pages. Okay, so let's check how can we do it. Okay, let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard. Okay, this is the website and where I want to add this type of pop-up. So go to the admin dashboard. We have to install a plugin. So hover on plugins and click on add plugin. Search here Popup Maker. Okay, this is the plugin which we are going to use in this tutorial. You can see this is the Popup Maker. Is one of the most popular plugin for pop-up. So without any hesitation, we can install it. So just click over here, install now. Activate. After install and activating the plugin, you can see in left side menu, Popup Maker option is added. If you hover on it, then you can see all pop-up and create a new pop-up themes and subscribers, then settings tools. Okay, so if you click over here, Popup Maker and all pop-ups, you can see this is a pop-up which imported when we have installed and activated the plugin. Okay, so I don't want to use it. I want to make a new pop-up. Okay, so before making a new pop-up, let's check the settings of the pop-up plugins. Okay, so just click over here settings, then you can see this is the settings like general, default theme, then the subscriptions, privacy and MISC. Okay, so if you want to make a pop-up, just click over here create a new pop-up, and very first you have to give the pop-up name. Like I want to give like welcome pop-up. Okay, and pop-up title I want to give welcome to my website. Okay, you can give here your text. Okay, just copy this text and just paste here. If you want, then you can add image, anything here. Okay, so I will show it. Then the scroll down, then you can see this is the pop-up settings. Very first, triggers, that mean when the pop-up will open. So actually I want to open when the website will be load. So just click in the right side, add new trigger, click open. No, I want to like this auto open. That means when the website will be loaded, or if any user visit the website, then this pop-up will show and I want to it. Okay, so this, and then check this box, prevent pop-up from showing the visitor again using cookie, then add Okay, then the delay, it's perfect. If you want, then you can increase this value. Actually I think it's perfect, so edit. Okay, then the targeting means where the pop-up will be open. You can show in all pages or any specific page. Just click over here, targeting, then you can see, you can choose from here. If you click this down arrow, then you can see home page. Okay, so very first I want to show for all pages. Just check all pages. Okay, then the publish, just scroll down, then the display. You can see this is the display presets, like how the pop-up will show. You can see this is the pop-up, it shows in middle, then the right side corner, then the top, and left side bottom. Okay, you can see I want to show it, just center pop-up. Okay, then the update it. Okay, then navigate to the another tab like appearance, click over here, then you can see default theme. If you click over here, then you can see there are lots of themes. Okay, so you can edit it. Just I want to use it, light box. If you want to customize this pop-up theme, you can do it. Like this is the Popup Maker and this is the pop-up themes. Click just here, then you can edit from here. This is the light box and just click edit. Okay, and you can change from here, like overlay, container title I will show later. Just now I can close this tab, then again go to the editor. This is the light box and size. I think medium. If you want, then you can change from here. I want to give like 60 is perfect. Okay, then the size, this is the size. Then the animation fade is perfect. If you want, then you can change it from here. Then the sound. Okay, so actually I don't give any sound, so select none. And position, middle center. If you want, then you can change the position from here. Then the advanced, you can say display overlay. Actually disable overlay. Actually I want to show overlay. Okay, so if you want, then you can disable it from here. So actually I think it's perfect. And this is the pop-up index. You have to give larger value here, otherwise it will not showing. So it's perfect. Then the close, how you can close this pop-up. Okay, so close text, and you can see close button delay. Then the form submission and alternative methods, I want to keep it just a default. Then the advanced, disable automatic then the advanced, you can see disable automatic retriggering of pop-up after non-Ajax form submission. Actually I don't want it, or if you want, then you can disable it. Okay, so finally update from the right side top. Okay, then the check again, just scroll down. Now we can work with it. Okay, so this is the pop-up, and I have set for all pages. Now visit the website. Okay, now we can open it with another browser. Please wait a few moments. Okay, the pop-up is not working. Again go to the dashboard and check it. Okay, we'll come pop-up and edit it. Scroll down. Okay, I have changed the cookie time, like just click over here, then they given the 1 minute, and find publish from the right side top, update. Okay, and I want to change the targeting page, like click over here, then the all pages I want to give like home page. Okay, then the update it. Then refresh the website and check it. Copy this website URL and open with another tab like incognito mode. Okay, you can see it works fine. Now we can change this design, like again go to the editor and we can close it. Go to the editor. Okay, this is the actually pop-up and display. Okay, appearance, and you can change from here, like customize this theme. Click here. Okay, then the overlay, you can see this is the black color, it's okay. Then the container, if you want, then you can change the background color. Okay, so like I want to give it like blue, and border, okay, I want to give like this yellow. Then the drop shadow, actually I don't want to give it. Again the title, you can change the title color. Okay, and the font size from here, font size and the font style. I hope if you check it, then you will be easily understand, and you can change the font family. Okay, so just update it. Again go to the website and like refresh it. Okay, you can see it works fine. If you want to add image here, then you can do it. So let's check it. Again go to the editor, and this is the pop-up. Okay, already I have edited it. This is the pop-up, and if you want, then you can give her image or any link. Okay, so this is the add media. Click here and add media. Just choose an image like I want to give it. Insert this post, update it. Okay, now copy this website URL and open with another browser. Okay, you can see it works fine. So in this tutorial we have learned how to add pop-up in WordPress website. Thanks for watching the video.